Guys, let's hard reset Huawei Y5 2019. Factory reset, switch off the phone, then press the volume up and power key together. Keep pressing. When you see logo, release the power key. Keep holding power up, volume up. When you see recovery, then you release the buttons. Get to here, wipe data factory reset. Type here yes, yes, yes. There's option wipe data, touch here, wipe is wiping your password. Just wait until it's 100%. It's almost done. It's finished. Just reboot system now. It's rebooting. The battery must be charged for 50%. Please guys, subscribe my channel, like the video if it's helpful for you. Thank you for watching. This is my new channel. Need your subscribe, one click only. Just wait, don't press any key, don't do anything. You can plug in charger as well if you want to. Can take few minutes. Yes, this is ready. Just go next and put your Gmail and use it. Thank you for watching guys. This was the Huawei Y5 2019.